So welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this ICF coach over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like we'll be creating this windows first over here. So let's go over here and let's give a bit of NURBS toggle. Once you assign it, you see that the shape is getting distorted over here. So let's go over here. Let's take a swift loop over here in this way, and now if you try to give this much better, so if you want that you can put this loop a bit at the corner as well. Okay, we'll do it later on. Now what I'll do over here is like, let's go over here and let's start adding the swift loops over here for the window structure. So again I'll click over here. Even you can use the connect option as well if needed. So let's again now okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now we'll just extend a bit if needed, slightly over here. Now again we'll be creating a door panel over here. So we'll just create again a door panel, slightly select this, and let's give a bit of inset, very less. So if you want to give inset, you can give inset, or else I'll just extrude a bit inside, same way. Let's click OK. So similarly I'll again delete this stuff over here as we have done it prior. So I can just delete this in this way. So if you want, we can just keep this back part as it is, and let's drag it down over here. Okay. So I can just select this and let's weld it. Weld it. So select this border and let's give cap. So I can just give a cap over here. So right click, let's give a cut over here. So I'll just go into this edges over here. I'll just remove this. Oh God. So let's give a cut over here again. So what I can do if you need is like, if you want to repeat this again and again, I can just take this much of the part and I can duplicate that and I can just join that. That would be much better. So I can just select this much of the part over here. So let's just take one swift loop, select the polygons, in this way, and let's duplicate that. So I'll just shift, okay, I'll exclude this, shift and drag it, clone to object. I can do that. So I'll just select this, affect pivot only, center to object. I'll close that. So this is like, instead of doing all this whole thing, what I can do is I'll just put one swift loop over here, select this polygons, so select this much of the part, so let's go over here, I'll select the whole element, I'll give one connect over here, select this polygons, and let's delete this, and I'll again select this, I'll slightly just shuffle it, I'll push it over here. So we'll just merge it, so that would be much better now. So select the border and let's cap this. Sorry, bridge it. Oops. Okay. So whenever you are bridging this, let's just remove this. So select this edges and bridge it. So just exclude this. So this is what happens when you try to attach some external object. So I'm just doing this manually now. So all the loops are correct, nothing wrong in it. I don't know, some issue is happening over here. So I'm doing this manually. So let's just keep on welding this. So it's going to take time, but it will do it. So the topology is changed a bit. When you duplicate it, it takes, sometimes it creates a problem, but not in the major cases. Doesn't happen. So let's just quickly weld this. So this is the biggest problem with Maxes. You cannot weld two or more edges over ties. So if you try to do this, if you weld it, say it's going to weld in this way. So we're almost done in 5 minutes. So let's do the first the bottom, because we have multiple edges. That's the reason. Weld it. There's some issue over here. So accidentally if you merge a wrong vertices, then it's going to create a problem. So somewhere there is some just save the file once. You're almost done. All right. So just keep on welding this, because there was a problem with the bridge option, so I have to use this method over here. All right. Hope this gets, bridged up correctly. Yeah. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So now we can go over here and go for this Windows part over here. So let's again select this Windows over here. Select the polygons. We can just slightly adjust it accordingly. So select the polygons over here, give a bit of inset, so I can slightly inset it, and let's extrude a bit inside over here. So now I'll be putting some loops over here in this way. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.